Color is one of the many different ways in which an artist can differentiate himself or herself. It can help create contrast, drama and beauty. I love color. Let's learn more about it. Yes, it is okay, I guess. You don't sound very excited. I am not excited, I admit it. But why not? You know he doesn't appreciate anything in art. I can hardly tell the difference. That is why I don't care about color. But you know the difference between the basic colors, don't you? I am sure he does. Everyone does. There is no exception. Unless you might be colorblind. I don't know much, but we can see if I can do it, yes. Okay, let's test it then. What color is this? That's blue. No, that's wrong. You don't really see the difference? It's green. That would have been my second guess, yes. What? Are you serious? Are you colorblind then? No, I am not colorblind. I just didn't see it very well. Okay, what about this one? What color is that? That is, pink. That is not pink. It is orange. What is going on here? It is orange like your hat. You have an orange hat. Did you think it was different than the color of your hat? Oh yes, now I see it. Haha, stupid of me. Maybe you're not really trying. Let's do another one. What do you think this color is? Well, that must be orange then. What? The other one is orange. This one is different. Don't you see? Oh yes, haha, my bad. I really wonder if he is colorblind, huh? Or he just doesn't care. Or he's just playing with us. No. He really is colorblind. That is what I think. I do have my suspicions. Let's see if this works. Hey Vincent, if you guess these ones right, I will give you $10. Really? Oh, that's cool. I will try. Look at them and then guess what colors they are. Oh, that's easy. Those are turquoise, black, purple, green, yellow, and grey. Do I get my $10 now? See, I told you he was just messing with us. He's not colorblind at all. Wow, that is such a dumb joke. Shame on you, Vincent from the Netherlands. You're trying to fool us. But I do get my $10 now, don't I? I was correct. Actually, the first colors were all correct, but the last one was silver, not grey. Sorry. Oh, come on, this is stupid. Sorry, I had to give you a taste of your own medicine. You asked for it. The joke is on you, Dutch boy. Oh, shut up.